Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to give you here an update or chart analysis on Meta platforms, Meta stock. I think everybody knows this ticker here. This is now here more or less for the long-term investors, where I will show you the prices here to the upside. If it's time to buy or sell, or where is it time to buy and sell Meta stock, guys. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah guys, we have here a market capital of $1.5 trillion. This is huge. Average trading volume here is around 20 million shares, and as you can see, the all-time high is $740, and now we're trading here at $597. We had here something like a pullback. Show you that here really quick. With TradingView, guys, we have here 34% pullback, and I think when we zoom out here what happened in the last couple of months and years, then this is here one of the strongest pullbacks which we had. This year was the so-called, I think that was after the pandemic shakeout. Pandemic shakeout was here. Then we had the super strong bull run, the super bullish bull market in 2020 and 2021, and then here around November 2021 the bear market started. You can see every stock started to tank down, or Bitcoin, everything just crashed here starting November 2021, and that was the beginning of the bear market, which last almost 1 year. So we had then here a recovery of November 2022, and you can see that after this kind of accumulation, Meta just ripped to new all-time highs. Yeah, guys, it is very important to know where are the buy-in price levels, exit price levels, and everything like that. So I have here a mission. The mission is to educate you in trading. That's why we will dive here into my chart patterns here. I let you know all the price levels, but I also have a mission here, guys, or at least what I'm doing here every week is I try to predict short squeezes. How do I do that, guys? I post here on Patreon my favorite short squeeze stocks. Usually don't find these tickers on YouTube. I have my special program which is identifying these stocks, which I made by myself. And then we have here, I always let my members know here the squeeze date range, when I expect the squeeze to happen as soon as this is available, and of course the price level here. So this is here one information. This is just a very plain screenshot here. You don't see all the information, but that was the day when I released this video here, and then 1 day later this ticker already started to build some momentum and squeezed 180% in just 6 trading days, guys. Then we had one example as well here. 29th of April, one of my Patreon member stocks, video release date was here, guys, the yellow line. 2 days later this ticker squeezed even almost 300%. So there is no reason to FOMO. We have a lot of short squeezes in the market. If you're interested in trading short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join us here on Patreon. My brand new short squeeze video for the next week is out right now. So that video contains the squeeze predictions for next week. If you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can join our full package membership here on Patreon. This is where you get access to all my short squeeze and swing trade alerts, and of course to my trading tutorials. I have also member FAQ section there where I answer a lot of questions also for beginners, how to trade, how to start, which broker, and so on. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description. By the end of this video, in the video credits, you find a membership explained video as well, guys. So now let's check here the price levels for Meta. I don't want to extend that video here. So we have an uptrend channel pattern which we just retested here once during the bear market. What does that mean, guys? This is a very important information, because if we see here a bear market incoming, which is not confirmed yet, we have still a very strong bull market. Also by the 7th of April we can see that here we had this big market shakeout. That was also the same here for this S&P 500, guys. Market shakeout was 7th of April. Every stock tanked down during that time. Same did Meta here, guys, and now we recover from that and see a bounce. In case, guys, in case that a bear market should or could start, and that will happen sooner or later, guys, I think we will see here some short squeezes now in May and June 2025. Please watch my S&P 500 video if you want to get all the information on that. It's also here in the video credits. But we can also expect, if we see a bearish reversal in the market, since we are completely overheated here, you can see we had now here a massive run. Since this bear market was over, we are still in a bull run, and Meta made 746% since, guys. So is it time to take profits? Yes, guys. If you are 746% plus, you should think about to take profits. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. If you bought below $219, you maybe never see a lower price than that in the next years and months, as soon as we don't see a big market crash. So in the bear market, guys, if we talk about a bearish price action here, if we start to lose the support here on this trend channel top line, you can see how the stock is responding here. Then we will start to come down and retest here the single price levels, and my landing zone, which I calculated here for Meta, is between $335 and $287. The strongest support which we have is here at $219. In case of a market crash, we could retest this price again. We could even come lower, but it's not, we cannot expect that right now. There is no sign of a bear market. So that means if you have a price in that price level here, I would think about to take profits, because it is possible that we come back in this zone here after the short squeeze here. In my opinion, the market will start to squeeze in May and June. We had already here so many squeezes also in April, guys. I can show you here a couple of screenshots. We had just 10 short squeezes here in 2 weeks after my video prediction here on Patreon, guys. So that was a super bullish month here in April after this shakeout. And that's why I think the whole market will continue to squeeze for the next month. Keep in mind, $335 to $287 is the landing zone for the bears in case of a market correction. What is the squeeze price goal, bullish price goal, call it however you want, guys? The next price goal to the upside, if we can break, of course, this all-time high at $740, then the landing zone, which I calculated here based on the chart, guys, is between $935 and $1,023 for Meta, guys. So based on the today's price, which we have here at $597, that means almost here a 100% increasement is possible if we see a smaller dip. 70% in total based on this price. I never FOMO in, guys, so I would not buy Meta here in these price ranges where we are actually trading. Why? Because we have here this trend channel pattern, and when we squeeze out of this trend channel pattern here, the reaction is usually a strong pullback. We had this strong pullback here already, and just because we recover from that here, the 35% pullback, just because we start to recover from that, that doesn't mean that we can continue here with the bullish support. When we have a view here at the RSI, for the first time, guys, here, as I said, the bear market shakeout was in October 2022. Now we have a super bullish market, and for the first time since October 2022, guys, for the first time here, so almost 2.5 years, for the first time we have here an oversold RSI, which means this is here a situation where, of course, the bulls buy the dip, but don't get fooled that this is here a good opportunity to buy. Yes, for a swing trade, yes. Also to get here maybe additional 70%, but everybody who bought in here in these price ranges, guys, you know my opinion about that. So this is very interesting that it took here from October 2022 until March 2025 to finally bring here an oversold technical situation for Meta, guys. Very flat but very interesting chart setup. I think that ticker here brings a lot of opportunities. Everybody who is still invested here and bought below $219, congratulations, guys. I think there is not that much to worry about. And being that said, guys, this is here my quick and dirty update on Meta. You can, of course, copy all the price levels here from my chart if you want. Everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you also want to get this program, guys, I can give you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier for TradingView, and this special discount link is available in the video description. My friends, being that said, so don't forget here to check out my latest hot stocks on Patreon, and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. I appreciate your support. I wish you a great start in the new week and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.